Minasan, konnichiwa, hajimemashite. Watashi wa Metisu Dave to moshimasu. Dave to yonde kudasai. 24 歳で独身です。フィリピンのダボーマンドから参りました。どうぞよろしくお願いいたします。I would like to express my deepest gratitude to Inaho Japanese Language School for giving me opportunity to gain more knowledge about Japanese culture. We truly appreciate all that you do and the positive impact you make on the lives of so many. I am deeply grateful for the knowledge and skill I've gained, and I look forward to continuing to grow with your guidance. To our senseis and staff, your passion and dedication to teach us Japanese language and culture has been truly inspiring. Thank you for teaching us on how to communicate and understand Japanese language. Thank you for your guidance and support, especially to our Almighty God who has led me on this path. All glory belongs to you. So want to study Japanese language, I'm encouraging you to enroll at Inaho Japanese Language School. Iro-iro osewa ni narimashita. Ganbarimashou!